If you're thinking about starting an online store, there's a good chance that Shopify is one of the first platforms you've come across. It powers millions of online businesses, from small side hustles to massive global brands. But just because Shopify is popular doesn't automatically mean it's the best choice for everyone. So the real question is Shopify still the best e-commerce platform for launching a new store? In this video, we're going to break down exactly what Shopify offers, how much it costs, where it shines, where it falls short, and whether it's the right platform for your first online store. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website or online business. Let's dive in. What Shopify actually does. At its core, Shopify is a hosted e-commerce platform designed to help you create, manage, and grow an online store. So what makes Shopify so popular is that it removes most of the technical headaches that normally come with building an e-commerce site. You don't need to worry about things like web hosting, server configuration, security patches, payment system integration. Shopify handles all that for you. Instead, you focus on the things that actually matter for running a business, like adding products, marketing your store, and fulfilling orders. The platform includes everything that you need to run an e-commerce business, including a website builder, secure checkout system, inventory management, payment processing, shipping tools, and marketing integrations. So because everything is built into one platform, beginners can launch a fully functioning online store much faster than with traditional website platforms. Shopify pricing explained. Let's talk about pricing because this is one of the biggest questions that new entrepreneurs have. Shopify offers several plans depending on the size and needs of your business. At the entry level, there's the Shopify Starter Plan. This plan starts at about $5 per month. This plan allows you to sell products through checkout links, social media, or messaging apps, but it does not include a full online storefront. For most people launching a real e-commerce store, the starting point is the basic Shopify plan, which costs around $39 per month. This includes everything you need to run a full online store, such as unlimited products, website hosting, secure checkout, order management, access to the Shopify App Store. The next tier is the Grow plan, which costs roughly $105 per month, and it adds more advanced reporting, lower payment processing fees, and better shipping discounts. Then there's the Advanced Shopify plan, which costs around $399 per month, and it includes advanced analytics, calculated shipping rates, and further reduced transaction fees. For very large brands, Shopify also offers Shopify Plus, an enterprise solution designed for high-volume e-commerce businesses. The key thing to understand is that Shopify pricing doesn't stop with the monthly subscription. Most stores also end up paying for apps, premium themes, or marketing tools, which can increase the total cost of running a store. The Shopify Website Builder. So one of Shopify's biggest advantages is its ease of use. When you create a store, you choose a theme from Shopify's template library. These themes are designed specifically for e-commerce and include layouts for product pages, collections, blogs, and home pages. Shopify uses a section-based editor, which allows you to rearrange content blocks within a page layout. For example, you can add sections like product showcases, featured collections, image banners, testimonials, and email sign-up forms. While this isn't a completely free-form drag-and-drop builder like Wix, it's simple enough that beginners can still build a professional-looking store quickly. Shopify currently offers a growing collection of free themes, along with premium themes available in the Shopify theme store. Many new store owners can launch their first store in just a weekend using one of these templates. Managing products and inventory. Adding products to Shopify is very straightforward. Each product page allows you to add details like product descriptions, pricing, inventory levels, images or videos, shipping weight, SEO information. You can also create product variants, such as different sizes or colors. Shopify currently allows up to 100 variants per product, with up to 3 option categories. For example, size, color, and material. For most stores, this is more than enough. But brands with very complex product configurations sometimes need apps to expand those limits. The platform also includes built-in inventory tracking, so you always know when products are running low or out of stock. Payments and checkout. When it comes to accepting payments, Shopify offers several options. The easiest easiest solution is Shopify Payments, which allows you to accept credit cards directly through your store without needing to connect a third-party gateway. But if you prefer, you can also integrate payment providers like PayPal, Stripe, Amazon Pay, and many regional payment gateways. However, there's an important detail to understand. If you use a third-party payment gateway instead of Shopify Payments, Shopify charges an additional transaction fee. These fees typically look like, for the basic Shopify plan, about 2% per transaction. And here on the pricing page, we can actually see what those rates are. For the basic plan, it's 2.9% plus 30 cents. For the Grow plan, it's 2.7% plus 30 cents. For the Advanced plan, it's 2.5% plus 30 cents. And for the Plus plan, it's 2.25% plus 30 cents. This is why many merchants simply use Shopify Payments when possible. The checkout process itself is one of Shopify's biggest strengths. It's optimized for speed, security, and mobile users, which can significantly impact conversion rates. Shipping and fulfillment tools. Shopify also makes shipping easier for store owners. The platform includes Shopify Shipping, which allows you to purchase discounted shipping labels directly from the dashboard. These discounts apply to major carriers like USPS, UPS, DHL, and Canada Post. Once an order is placed, you can print shipping labels, generate tracking numbers, and send updates to customers without leaving Shopify. This streamlined workflow saves a lot of time compared to managing shipping manually. Shopify App Ecosystem. One of the biggest reasons that Shopify dominates e-commerce is its massive app ecosystem. The Shopify App Store includes thousands of integrations that allow you to extend the functionality of your store. Some of the most common categories include email marketing, subscription billing, loyalty programs, upsell tools, dropshipping apps, and print-on-demand services. This flexibility means that your store can evolve as your business grows. You might start with a simple setup, but later add advanced tools for marketing automation, analytics, or customer retention. New AI features. Shopify Magic and Sidekick. Shopify has also been adding AI tools to help merchants work more efficiently. One of these tools is Shopify Magic, which can generate things like product descriptions, marketing copy, and email content, as well as FAQ answers. These AI features help speed up the process of launching and managing a store. Shopify has also introduced Sidekick, an AI assistant designed to help merchants analyze store performance and make data-driven decisions. While these tools are still evolving, they show Shopify's commitment to integrating AI into e-commerce workflows. Multi-channel selling. Another area where Shopify excels is multi-channel selling. Instead of relying only on your website, Shopify allows you to sell across multiple platforms. You can connect your store to channels like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Amazon, and eBay. All orders are managed from the same Shopify dashboard, which makes it easier to track inventory and fulfill orders across different platforms. For modern e-commerce businesses, this omni-channel approach is incredibly valuable. The biggest downside of Shopify. Even though Shopify is powerful, it's not perfect. The biggest downside for many merchants is cost. Between the monthly subscription, app fees, and premium themes, running a Shopify store can become expensive over time. Another limitation is design flexibility. Shopify themes look great, but customizing them beyond basic settings often requires editing liquid code or hiring a developer. And while Shopify supports many business models, merchants who need highly specialized product configurations may run into variant limitations. These issues aren't deal breakers for most businesses, but they're worth considering before committing to the platform. Shopify versus other e-commerce platforms. Shopify competes with several other e-commerce platforms, including WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix e-commerce, Squarespace Commerce. So WooCommerce offers more customization because it's built on WordPress, but it also requires managing your own hosting and security. Wix and Squarespace are easier for beginners, but generally lack Shopify's advanced e-commerce ecosystem. BigCommerce is similar to Shopify in terms of features, but Shopify's app marketplace and theme selection tend to be stronger. For most beginners, Shopify strikes a balance between ease of use and scalability. So who is Shopify best for? Shopify is a great fit for people who want to launch an online store without dealing with complicated technical setup. It works especially well for new e-commerce entrepreneurs, drop shipping businesses, direct-to-consumer brands, and creators launching product lines. Because Shopify handles hosting, security, and payments, you can focus on marketing and growing your business. So is Shopify still the best e-commerce platform for new stores? For most beginners, the answer is yes. It offers one of the easiest ways to launch a professional online store while still providing the tools needed to scale as your business grows. The trade-off is cost and slightly limited customization compared to some open source platforms. But if you value Despite simplicity, reliability, and a huge ecosystem of apps, Shopify remains one of the strongest e-commerce platforms available today. If you want to try Shopify for yourself, you can usually start with a free trial and explore the platform before committing. So again, if you want to get started with Shopify, just click that link down below in the description to get started. You'll get that free 3-day trial, and your first 3 months are just $1 each. And if you use that link, just note this is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no additional cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we discuss domain names, website builders, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.